Welcome back, aliens. In this video, I'll be telling you something interesting, and this is where we left in the previous video, right? So I'll just delete that, and in this video, I'll be telling you about a tag called as a paragraph tag. Now, it's a real headache to write paragraph, especially when you are a programmer, because programmers are lazy. So instead, they have made a tag, simply the B. Oops. So it's simply the P tag. So what this P does, it tells HTML, okay, HTML, get ready. I'm just about to make a paragraph. So I'll just write something, paragraph, something is awesome, right? And let me just save this and show how it works to you all. So where's my Chrome? Yeah, I got it. So as you just saw, this is my paragraph. Now, how do you know this is a paragraph? Well, let me just compare it with a heading tag. For simplicity, I'll just make h1 tag because it's quite good and visible to see. What else? Say Shubham. Yeah, because Shubham is cool. Come here and refresh this. Bam. So you just saw this. It says Shubham in h1 and then it says this. And this gap is the paragraph gap that is there between every tag, or rather every writing tag that you are supposed to give. Now if you're thinking, okay, if I want a space right here, I should just hit enter and it will work, right? So I can just reduce it from here and save, come here and refresh. Oh my goodness, no difference. Why on earth? Why on earth isn't there any difference on this? I just gave it and it isn't working. If you are just scratching your head around why the heck it didn't work, well, because do you remember I told you HTML is case insensitive, meaning it doesn't differentiate between a and a capital A? Yes, I know you do. So it even doesn't differentiate between an enter and a not an enter. So you just get my idea, right? Then how are you supposed to give it a space, or rather how are you supposed to give it a place, or rather a line break? For that you have another tag. This is called as a BR tag. Now what this BR tag does is that you are here, you just opens this, and once you save this, you come here and you refresh this. Is like you just saw, it gives it a line break. Now what happens is that it gives you a line break. Now if you are just scratching your head around as to what BR is, it's break rule. Yes, BR stands for break rule. Why? Because as you can see this on the seventh line, where I am making this paragraph tag, I'm making this and this is a rule. So if I'm pressing enter, this means I'm creating a new rule. So that's like breaking the rule somewhere. Now, did you just saw I didn't close this BR tag, or like I didn't set it to be something like this, right? So will this even work now? I don't know. Probably it should. Yeah, it does work. But then if you're thinking like, why the heck are we not even supposed to close this tag? It's because just imagine for a while you are saying someone, okay, open line break, you write something, then you say open line break, then close the line break. Like, does that even make any sense? How are you supposed to close a line break, right? Okay, that was just an alarm, nothing much. Sweet. So how are you even supposed to close a line break? You cannot. Absolutely fine. That's why we are here. What happens is this BR says, okay, you need to break a rule right there. So if you type BR, this breaks a rule. If you type BR, this breaks the rule. Sweet. Now if you just type in anything, this will just break the rule. Now in the next video, I'll be telling you about some attributes of h1, even of body. Now if you're thinking what an attribute is, stay tuned till the next video. And until then, bye bye aliens. I'll see you in Mars.